Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning into my channel, and welcome wherever you are. I hope this finds you well. Guys, today, in case you missed yesterday's speech by President Donald J. Trump, on Tuesday, I watched the whole speech, which was being addressed in Washington, D.C. It was his first address since he became the President of the United States. And yesterday, in case you missed it, he said that there's a 5 million gold card that will go on sale very, very, very soon, and it will serve as a path towards becoming a U.S. citizen. In other words, it's something similar to a green card, but you have to buy that card. And actually, the card is for wealth people, wealthy foreigners from outside the world. If you can afford it for $5 million, then you qualify. So what's happening is he wants people who have businesses from outside the United States and who can afford 5 million US dollar to come and invest in the United States. So once you invest, let's say you establish a company, and the profits and the taxes which you pay in this country will help to increase the economy of the United States. It's one way of trying to make money. But the way I'm looking, it's average people. When we talk about the price tag, it's not gonna be easy for the common people to afford it. And that's what he was saying. It's a proposal still, which is progressing very, very, very slowly. So Trump said the newest path to citizenship would allow the most successful job creating people from all over the world to buy the path to citizenship. So I don't know if you guys know about it, and I am going to play a clip which has those information, and I want you to watch.
With that goal in mind, we have developed in great detail what we are calling the Gold Card, which goes on sale very, very soon. For $5 million, we will allow the most successful job-creating people from all over the world to buy a path to U.S. citizenship. It's like the green card, but better and more sophisticated. And these people will have to pay tax in our country. They won't have to pay tax from where they came. The money that they've made, you wouldn't want to do that, but they have to pay tax, create jobs. They'll also be taking people out of colleges and paying for them so that we can keep them in our country instead of having them being forced out. Number one, at the top school, as an example, being forced out and not being allowed to stay and create tremendous numbers of jobs and great success for a company out there. So while we take out the criminals, killers, traffickers, and child predators who are allowed to enter our country under the open border policy of these people, the Democrats, the Biden administration, the open border insane policies that you've allowed to destroy our country, we will now bring in brilliant, hardworking, job-creating people. They're going to pay a lot of money, and we're going to reduce our debt with that money.
Okay. Let me see again here. So this guy was speaking yesterday because he was promising a lot of things in his speech, as I listened. He promised to make America affordable again by reducing the cost of energy during his joint address to Congress on Tuesday night. He was speaking in the U.S. Capitol, and he said that he was fighting every day to reverse the economic damage that, blaming his predecessor, the former chair, Joe Biden. But to do comparisons between the Trump Gold Card and the Green Card, I do believe that the Green Card is not going to be affected. It's still going to be there for those ones who would like to apply. And I believe the diversity visa lottery is still going to be there. And when the time comes, I will be doing videos. What we are waiting right now is the results, which is going to be in the first week in May, and I will do videos of that, and I'll provide a link where you can go and check your results. Remember what I used to say, the confirmation number, you're gonna need it. So you need to find it where you kept it, because without that you will not be able to know if you won or not. So look for that number, and when that comes, be watch this space. So when that time comes, you will be able to check the results from there. So for a quick recap about the Trump card, the President of the United States is trying to offer U.S. residents to foreigners in exchange for 5 million guys, 5 million US dollar. And to break it down, this is going to be for wealth people who have money outside the United States, but they would like to bring business to the United States. Either they have a big company, they will just come and buy land, construct a building or rent a building, and hire employees and establish that kind of business. So the U.S. government will tax those people who do business here, and they will go through licensing and some other stuff. So the money they make, it will help to help the economy of the United States. So that's what it is for. It's called Trump Gold Card, and it's the price tag is $5 million, and in some way similar to the Green Card, but it's not for common people, it's for wealthy people, and that's the way it is. And let me know what you think. It's a new thing. I don't know much about it, but I'm still doing some research about it, and I will be giving you some information as I get it. So watch this space. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, share, like, and I hope I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.